Alright guys, I think this is the good time to start with the product variation. Okay, so product variation can be very difficult and it can be very tricky also, because the when we use this Amazon and those big websites, they are using a very difficult architecture, and they have a lot of variations. But in this example project we are going to handle only two variations, that is color and size. Okay, just to get an idea how these variations work. Okay, so basically what is going to happen is, when we add the product to the cart, we should also be able to add this color and this size to the cart, right? So that means when we are clicking on this add to cart button, we should be able to get these two data, right? These two data via post request, or we can use get request also. So the moment I say get and post request, that means this thing should be the form, right? So the first thing is we need to put these elements inside the form. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go to this I think this is the product detail page, right? Go to the template and product detail. Let me first close all these tabs. Okay, and here in the templates, right, and we have the product detail.html. so here as you can see, we have the product name coming from here, and this is the product price, and we should be able to get this here. I think this, okay, this is the product image. This part is for the left side. Okay, and we should put the form in the right side. So that means here. Okay, all right, so this article starts from here. You can see class content body, and if I'm not wrong, it should be in the line number 21. Okay, all right, so this article starts from here and it is ending here. Okay, so what we'll do is just go up, and here above this article, let's make a form. Okay, just the action, let's keep it like that for now, and just cut this one, and let's end this form here. All right, so let us indent it properly. All right, I think okay, so where is it here? Right, so now we are using the form now. That means if you come here and this add to cart button, we are using the anchor tag with the href, right? But in this case, in the form case, it will not work. So that's why what we'll do is, instead of this a, type button. Okay, this is the button start, and here the a is ending, and instead of this a, remove this one and close button. Okay, and save this. So this button type should be submit. Okay, and so this href will not work with the button, so remove this one and just cut this. So when we click on the button, so it should go to this form action right here. Paste it here. This URL should come here instead of that href, right? And let's make a method here for now, just for the testing. Let's make it as get. Okay, and okay, so again here, okay, this is now the color, right? So this is the color, and this is the size. Okay, so for now what we'll do is we don't need this radio color, I mean the radio button. Okay, so instead of this, we'll because why I don't want to use this is because if we add more sizes here, okay, more values here, then it will exceed this line, I think. Then that will be the responsive issue. So that's why let's make it a select drop down, and let it be like this. Choose color, and instead of this div, cut this div, okay, and make a select. The select name will be color, okay, we don't want id for now. And inside this select, let's make some option will be first color, sorry, not color, it is red. I just want to show you guys with the static values, that's why I'm doing this one. And yellow, and this is maybe green, okay, and this is yellow and green, okay. And for now, this size also, we don't want this one. Remove this, because let's make a drop down here, copy and paste it here. And this select name will be a size, right? And this size, let's make small, medium, large, and this value also small, medium, large. Okay, so now we have this drop down, and if you go to here and refresh, okay, so this is not matching with the Bootstrap, right? So what we'll do is we'll make a we'll put a Bootstrap class here, that is class equal to form control. So copy this and paste it here. So now this should work. All right, so this is working, okay. So now what will happen is, when we click on this one, okay, when we click on this add to cart, so this will push these data inside the browser here, inside the URL, okay. But don't click on this right now, because it will add the product to the cart, because we need to handle it from here also, right? In the store views, if you see this, the action is going to where add cart method, right? So go to views and let's find out where is add cart. Okay, sorry, not here. This add cart is in the carts app and views, so it will come here, right? But what we'll do is, for now, let's take a value from the browser URL, because we know that we are using a get request, right? That means the this value will be, this small value will be, I mean small and red, or anything, whatever we give, the value will be coming from here, right? Name equal to the color equal to blue, like this, and size equal to small, like this. It is going to come because it is it is the get request, right? So let's go to here, and here what we'll do is we'll take a color that is equal to request dot get the color here, okay. This color is coming from where? This color is coming from here, right? Let me show you. That is the name of the select box, right? This name, okay. And and for the size also, we are going to use size, okay, name size. The same way, let's copy this and paste this here, and let's take a size and request dot get, it will be now size. Okay, so for now let's say return. We can also do this, okay, print color, but this sometimes because it is going to print it in the terminal. Okay, so sometimes it won't print, so that's why I just want to show you with the HTTP request, HTTP response, the color. Okay, color, then let's concatenate with the size also. Okay, so this should print the color and size. Exit. This HTTP response we should, okay, this is already available here. Okay, and now at this point if you go to here and refresh and select any yellow and medium, add to cart, and you can see the color is coming as the yellow. Okay, this is the value of the color and the medium is the value of the size. Okay, we got them here, right? We already have, now we have the values, right? Okay, so this one I showed you with the static values, right? This is you know, this is the static value, but in place of this we should be able to get the dynamic values. Okay, dynamic values of this particular product, right? This particular product, right? That's why we are going to make a variation model. Okay, so in that variation model we will be adding the variations, you know, variation maybe color, size and all those stuff from the admin panel, so that we don't have to always do this one. Okay, of course this is not the right way of doing dynamic application, so that's why, so this is just to understand how we are going to get the data from the backend. Okay, so let's stop here and let's continue making the variation model in the next one. Okay, thank you.